Hey fellow retro gamers, tired of that dim, washed-out GBC screen? This isn't just a repair, it's a revolution. This amazing kit transforms your Game Boy Color with a vibrant 6-inch IPS LCD and a brand new casing. Imagine those classic Pokemon battles in glorious, crisp detail. For only $149. 11. Give your childhood console the ultimate upgrade. Click the link below to relive your gaming memories like never before. Perfect for the nostalgic gamer in all of us.